Hello. Nomad Sculpt, Polygon Primitives between the number 6. For example, if you want to create an octagon, it's not so easy to do this in Nomad Sculpt. Okay, because most of the tools I show you, when you use a cylinder and reduce a division, it starts with 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the numbers jump always the count of 6. The next number is 12, 18, and so on. And if you want to create an octagon, it's not possible with this primitive. Also, the tube, when we draw here a small tube and we reduce the topology, 12, 6, 8 is not possible. Okay. There are a few ways to do this, but I think the easiest one is to use a UV sphere. And with a UV sphere, it's possible to choose every number. Here we can go to number 8, division number 8. And constant density off and reduce the Y division to 3. Now we get this primitive. And we can validate it. In the front view, you can use the mask tool and mask the top and the bottom, and use the gizmo and the big green dot to scale it till it fits like this. Then it's it's not total perfect, but it's okay. If you wanted the top and the bottom absolutely flat, I clear the mask, go in the front view and use the trim and turn off hole filling and use rectangular and trim. Sorry, there was front facing on. I trim it again. And now you have a open cylinder, octagon. And now when you go to the topology in the decimation, there's a action called close holes, press it. And this is this is an option to close it and to get a real flat object here. Yes, but I like this more. And yes, and okay, and it's possible to do then things with it, trim it off and like this, mask it, and sorry, we need the mask, and extract the shell. Now you get a octagon with a border, and it's fine. Okay, that's it. Have fun with sculpting. Ciao.